Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special video. Because today we're doing King's Court with Squishies. If you don't, let me just get that out. If you don't know what King's Court is, it's pretty much like you take, this is not a squishy, but let's say which one's better, which one you like better, and then you like throw it away. So we're gonna do that with Squishy, so I'm just gonna have the big one like right there. Then I'm just gonna like choose random two. So let's get started. Wait, let me just mix it up. Okay. Oh, okay, this is a hard one. So we have the Honey Marble Strawberry. That smells amazing. Or the semi double gushy pepper squishy. And I choose semi double gushy pepper. Wait, I didn't say it. Semi double gushy. Double gushy pepper squishy. And I'm doing this video all because of Kathy DM. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it back in there. I'm gonna mix it up. I have this one and this one. Oh, I just did strawberries, but they're different colors. So I'm gonna go with the red one. Mix it up. Choose two. Oh, okay. So we have the beautiful Hello Kitty with a brand squishy. Or we have our beautiful Hello Kitty donut that is like, can't look at that. And I am gonna have it with a beautiful powdered donut squishy because you can't live without these. So I'm probably gonna do like 7 more rounds. Oh. Squishies. Oh, okay. So we have another strawberry. We're gonna start our squishy. And I choose the burger squishy. Yay. Oh, so we have this big boy again. And we have the pink one this time. So I'm going to go with the red. Okay, so 5 more. Alright, that was one. Okay, so we have this Hello Kitty donut. Or the strawberry. And I'm gonna go with this one because it's so cute. 4 more. Oh, we just fell out. Fell slipped out of my hand. Okay, so we have the eye balloon bear squishy. Or this really awesome, like really hard squishy. So I'm gonna go with. I can't believe I did that because I really like this one. This one. Okay, 3 more to go. Oh, so we have our bear again. And then we have our strawberry. So I'm gonna go with, I don't know, this is really hard. Strawberry, because everything my gut was telling me. Okay, 2 more. 1, 2. Then we have this. or this beautiful Cutie Creative apple. And I'm going with a Cutie Creative apple. One, two. I don't really have this. More. This is a really tough one because I really like both of these. I'm gonna go with this. Is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I have all of them here. The ones that I chose, that I like. So, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna eliminate them. So, let's start by eliminating this guy. Then we're gonna go with this guy. And then we're gonna go with, I'm sorry, we've been through a lot. This guy. I'm sorry, that's a lot. Then this guy. Sorry, you're packaging. I don't know. Then we're gonna go with, I don't know. This guy. Then we're gonna go with this guy. Then we're gonna go with this guy. Then we're gonna go with this guy. And our final two. And my winner is Sammy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time.